Morning team, Joshua Roney here. I'd like to perform some training on the remote emergency stop push buttons for emergency diesel generators. You can find the information in NFPA section 110, year 2010, section 5.6.5.6. First, I'd like to start out on where they should be located. They cannot be located inside the generator room where the prime mover is located. Now, I take this to mean that it has to be located outside of the 2-hour fire rated wall of the generator space. If your generator is located outside of the building, the e-stop cannot be affixed to the generator waterproof enclosure. This is found in the Annex section of the NFPA 110. On to testing. It must be inspected during the weekly generator inspection due to being considered an appurtenant component per NFPA 110 section 8.4.1. You must also exercise the e-stop during the monthly load run. Now, this does not mean to test it while the generator is under load from the building, but perform the test during the cool-down period after the test is complete. The last thing I'd like to go over is section 5.6.5.6.1, where it states that the e-stop station must be properly labeled.